Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get CapCut Pro for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open up your CapCut application. You can open up your CapCut PC or your CapCut mobile. The process is the same between CapCut PC and CapCut mobile. And after that, we're going to go to the invite friends option. Okay, and if you want to get the CapCut Pro for free, you have to invite your friends, at least 10 friends, and you can read the instruction right here. You can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 friends, and you can copy the invite link and you can share the invite link to your friends, and after they accept the invite link, you will get the CapCut Pro for free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get CapCut Pro for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!